Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. Got this nice 8-foot by 2-foot bed all put together again and weeded out, and I've got some really nice snow crown cabbages. They do pretty well here. It's February 15th, I think. Tomorrow is our 8 weeks from our last frost date, so it's getting pretty late to get these in, even though Sunday night should be down in the high 20s. So I'll have to put some covers on them, but I'm running out of time as far as when summer's going to come. So I got to get these guys in the ground. Plus they're starting to get a little oversized. So we're going to lay them out. I plant these closer together than is recommended, but I've got a season problem. They don't usually get to be the nice big things people up north will grow. So I got to hurry them, which means they're not going to get as big. So I can plant them a little closer together. That's pretty good spacing. Leaves me with one left over I can put over in the other area. Now, that's my spacing. I'm going to spot them. These are some wonderful people over in South Carolina. Family group does worm castings. So I don't want to grow more bugs and more weeds, so I'm going to put the worm castings where I'm going to dig the hole. Nowhere else. That'll give these guys a good start for planting. Get them off to a good start. They'll get a couple of decent days here, and then I'll have to pull these covers up to help them out through the cold weather that's coming. So, since I worked this soil so hard, planting's pretty easy. Just dig it in a little bit, plop them in. I have always planted them a little deeper than you're supposed to. Don't know if that helps or hurts, but it does help with the legginess and the floppiness. And they always seem to grow just fine, so it doesn't take long to do these when you've already raked up the soil and got the weeds out. A lot of compost in here, several big wagon loads. That's it. There's 8 cauliflowers. The other cauliflowers over there. I'll go see if I can find some chopped up leaves, a bag of, and get a little mulch around them. But here we are, Lawrenceville, Georgia, February 16th, Friday the 16th. 8 weeks from the last frost date. These are snow crown cauliflowers. They give a nice cauliflower head about that big, which in the south that's fabulous. So hope you're planting, hope you got it going this year. Be nice tomorrow. Probably get a freeze Sunday morning, maybe Monday morning, and then it's warm all next week. So I've got a nice bed here all raked up, a bunch of compost put in. Got some beautiful, beautiful stonehead cabbage plants that need to get in the ground. Stonehead is it's not a great old whopper head, but it's more than what two people can eat in a meal, even if you really like cabbages. And frankly, it makes the head quick, which is important in the South. So I got 9 of them there. It'll make me some spots here to plant. Since these got to grow quick, you can put them pretty close together. They're not going to get a long growing season to make these big gorgeous things you see people up north have. We got a short season for spring. Some years we pretty much don't get spring at all. So you got to get it in early. Hope that it'll work. Piece of egg crate didn't quite break down, huh? So I'm going to put worm castings where I'm going to put each plant. Ooh. Gotta love when you see worms this time of year in the soil. Got to love it. So these really got too big. Be kind of a challenge getting them out. Alright, there's one. Two. Oh, my poor aching back. When the soil's ready, they will plant up pretty quick because you're not fighting it. Okay, there's 8. Got 1 left. All right. There's our stonehead cabbages. I'll get some water on them and they'll be ready to go. This is David at Grow and Eat This. Middle of February, 8 weeks before my last frost date. Getting some cabbages out in the garden. Thank you for watching. please subscribe.